Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Learn to Code. Hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video we are going to create a program using C++ and we will check that what is the concept of the variable. So let's get started. And before starting the video, I request you guys to please subscribe the YouTube channel Learn to Code and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any kind of update from the YouTube channel Learn to Code. So let's get started. So what we just need to specify the first thing that what real the variable is any kind of data location, and the data location is used to store any kind of data. Now your data, the case is that your data might be a number, it might be a string, it might be a decimal value, it might be any kind of thing, but you always need a kind of variable to store your data. So let's check it out and let's see that how we can sort out a lot of things in the variables. And so you just need to open the compiler first, and our compiler is developer C++. Now we have to create a source file. Now we have to add the header file #include input output stream #include conio.h using namespace standard std integer of the main function, that is the main function, and after that the code block, and then getting the character with get ch. So we have created the program structure. Now we have to implement certain things on it. So the first thing is that what real the variable is a data location, and it is used to store the user specified data in and the data that is stored in the variable is kind of temporary. It not the kind of permanent one, because we didn't use any kind of file writing and file reading or writing or database concept yet. So the value of the variable will be temporary. So now just need to create a variable. Before creating a variable, you must specify that what you want to insert in that variable, what you want to kept in that variable, whether you want to keep the string in that variable, whether you want to keep the numeric value in that variable, whether you want to keep the decimal value, whether you want to keep the non-decimal value. So it's on you. So before creating a variable name, you just need to specify its data type first. So if I want to create a variable and I want to store any kind of numeric figure in it, so I know that for the numeric case and numeric non-decimal case, I want to create the variable with the data type integer. So I just need to create int, and after the int I just need to specify the variable name. So variable name, there are some limitations in the variable name. What can you what are the assigning procedures of variable, and what can you set a variable, and what are the things that you must remember before creating a variable. There are few things and you just need to memorize those things before creating a variable. In today's video we just creating a variable without any kind of limitation. We just creating a variable with a simple concept. So for that purpose I'm going to create a variable, and a variable name should be a developer friendly, because you have to keep an eye on this thing that one day you will, whenever you will leave the project, so the upcoming developer, it must be the ease of access for the upcoming developer to modify that project. So int number, I want to store a number, so I will create a variable name with number. So I have created a variable name and its data type is number. So in this variable you can store any kind of decimal value, non-decimal value. Non-decimal value include 1, 2, any value that didn't contain any kind of digit. That value is referred as non-decimal value, and all the values that contain any kind of digit, any kind of points and points and the values after the points, so those values are numeric, but those values are not the integers, they are the floats. So this is the basic concept of the variable. So that's all from today's video. Hope you guys like the video, and if you like the video, then do subscribe the YouTube channel Learn to Code. We'll meet you in next video. Thank you.